Uh-oh, told you he gets up to no good if you don't watch him. Were you vigilant? Were you watching him? Or were you watching Emmerdale?
I was watching Emmerdale, Judge.
Well, you took your eye off the ball. The question is whether or not that's reasonable. And I think it's not just fair and just to listen to you. I think it might be an appropriate opportunity to hear from George insofar as we can. Is he here? Would you mind going to get him? Now, whilst this is happening, have you ever watched television or diverted your attention for more than 30 minutes?
Not for more than 30 minutes, Judge, no.
Well, around that sort of time. With advert breaks, it's 25 minutes, correct?
Correct.
And in the circumstances, I presume, for example, if you're at home, at 2 o'clock, your very clear and unequivocal attention is directed at the television for at least an hour at ITV, am I right?
Maybe, Judge.
And here's George.
What, George?
Look. Does George sit?
I don't think so.
Does he do any tricks?
He does lots of tricks, Judge.
Well, like what? Is he friendly?
He is.
Can I speak to him? Do you mind bringing him to me?
Come on, this way.
Will he be? Can he be not a picked up sort of dog?
Not really, no.
Is that not wise? Will he bite?
No, he won't bite, but he might have his arms and legs everywhere.
Oh. Now, will you take a seat? I'm just trying to get a sense, you see. This is a bit like, I want to see whether, if I don't pay attention to him, what you say is correct. In other words, if you leave the shoe, he's likely to go for it. George? Yes, over here, dear. It's like me trying to do a cha-cha. Look, have a look. Doesn't seem very interested in the shoe. Is it? Do you like it? Oh, God. I think he's got a shoe fetish. He definitely likes the shoe. All right, you take that back. Now, your eye was off the ball for 30 minutes. That's what happened. You bought new shoes. How much did you pay for new shoes?
I paid $46.99 for the new shoes.
Oh, so you got a bargain.
Well, no, because I don't like them. It was the
What
only...
did you buy them for?
It was the only pair in the shop that was in my size, and I needed shoes straight away. The only pair of...
You're asking
that
for the
particular-
exact replicas which have now gone up in value, correct?
No, they were always that value.
Right, but you got them in the sale.
I got them in the sale.
But what sort of shoe shop was this? I don't mean to be rude to you, madam, but I presume you weren't in pre-communist Russia.
I wanted that particular brand because they're very comfortable.
Right, did you get that brand?
I got that brand.
What's your complaint?
The different style.
So? You got new shoes, you got replacement shoes.
I did.
You're claiming for £107.84.
Mm-hmm.
Well, why is she liable for that sum?
Because I want to replace these ones.
Well, I understand that. People want things that they can't necessarily have because they're unfair. It's just the way of the universe, you know? I'd like an extra 3 inches, madam.
Wouldn't we all, Judge?
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.